coming up right here on Speed51.tv, your racing home broadcast coverage again, presented by Hooters this season at Five Flags Speedway. And ladies and gentlemen, I have a very special guest. I've hyped up the crowd. We've got him, the 2018 Snowball Derby winner. And he is one of the best in the NASCAR Xfinity Series today. Ladies and gentlemen, from Las Vegas, Nevada, Noah Gragson. Noah, how's it going, my friend? How has the weekend been here so far at Five Flags Speedway for you?
Well, it's been a lot of fun. We kind of struggled yesterday in practice. We had a bent right rear shock, so that kind of hurt us pretty much all practice sessions yesterday. But had a lot of fun out here in Pensacola. I didn't know I was running this race until this past Saturday, so didn't get to test. I haven't made a super late model lap since 2018 when I won this race. So it's been fun getting back in the seat. Been feeling it out. I'm thankful for James Finch and Richie Waters, the rest of the group at Phoenix Construction. It's been fun to get back and man, I love Five Flags Speedway. It's so much fun.
And that's a winning car because Vincent Mingus won the 2019 All-American 400 after a last-minute driver change, and he won that race at Nashville, one of the other big crown jewels in November that you see on Speed51.tv. So Noah, being a NASCAR driver in the Xfinity Series, coming back here to the Snowball Derby, what did it mean to you when you got that call?
Well, I was pumped up because this is the most exciting, the craziest weekend in all of, or week, I guess I should say, in all of motorsports, in my opinion. It's just, you have a lot of fun at night, you have a lot of fun on the racetrack, and there's a bunch of people here cheering everyone on. So I think we do have a good car for this weekend. Tonight's pretty stressful though. We got qualifying night, and I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I hope to make the race and hopefully not have to be in that last chance race.
I've really said this a lot, and we've all been hyping it up on our Speed 51 crew, especially Commander-in-Chief Bob Dillner. You can compare the Snowball Derby Country Pleasing Sausage pole night to just like being qualifying for the Daytona 500 or a NASCAR event. Can you say that that's the same?
No.